Let's speak about RUN KLARF mode, automated batch inference. The RUN KLARF mode acts as a command center for fully automated batch inference and reporting, removing the need for manual clicking. Batch execution. Users select a batch of Klarf files and a train classifier. The system then processes the files iteratively. Heads-up display. HUD. The central pane is dominated by the full wafer map, which visualizes the macro dispersion signature of the loaded file. High-speed processing. As the engine scans the batch, the HUD rapidly flashes every single defect image along with its real-time AI classification. If a defect lacks an image, the HUD briefly grays out to indicate no image and instantly jumps to the next row. Comprehensive reporting. After processing all Klarf files, the application automatically aggregates the results into a highly detailed CSV report stored in an auto-generated reports folder. This final report includes the file names, the macro dispersion signatures, e.g., ring, scratch, complete dimensional information for every individual defect, and the AI's final microclassification label for each image.